stop scrolling for a second. If you are learning English right now, this might be the most important message you hear today. Because in the next few minutes, we are going to talk about why most learners quit too early and how you can avoid the same mistake. Stay with us. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Academy, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan. How are you today, Emma?
I am very good today, Ryan. I had a wonderful day yesterday.
Really? What did you do yesterday?
Well, I went to the park in the morning, then I came home and made lunch. I ate a big salad and I drank some iced tea. A perfect day.
That does sound perfect. Very relaxing.
And you, Ryan? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, let me think. I went to the coffee shop. I got a very big coffee. I came back home. I made a sandwich. I ate it very fast. And I drank 2 glasses of water after.
Ryan, did you hear what we just did?
What did we do?
We used many action verbs. Go, come, make, eat, drink, get. And we used them in the past tense without even thinking about it.
Oh, you were right. The past tense, things we did before.
Yes, and that is our topic today.
Action verbs.
Action verbs for daily life. Today we will learn 8 very common verbs. We will learn the present form, that is for now, for today, and the past form, that is for yesterday, for before.
8 verbs, present and past. I am ready.
These are verbs you use every single day, so this lesson is very, very useful.
Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes.
If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Academy.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you.
It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. First, a quick reminder. In English, we have the present tense and the past tense. The present tense is for things you do now, today, every day. I walked to the store.
That is now, regular.
The past tense is for things you did before. Yesterday, last week, last year. I walked to the store yesterday.
Walk, walked. You have ed. Easy.
Many verbs are like that, but some verbs change completely. They do not follow the rule. These are called irregular verbs.
Irregular. That means no rule. The verb does its own thing.
Exactly. And today's 8 verbs are all irregular. The past tense looks very different from the present, so we need to learn each one carefully.
8 irregular verbs. Let's go.
We will learn them in 4 pairs, 2 verbs at a time. Pair 1, movement verbs, going and coming. Verb number 1, go.
Go. I use this word all the time. Go to school, go to work, go home, go to the park.
Yes, go means to move from here to another place. You leave and move somewhere new. I go to the supermarket every Saturday. Now, what is the past tense of go?
Goed?
No, the past of go is went.
Went. That does not look anything like go.
I know. W-E-N-T, went. Never goed.
Yesterday, I went to the coffee shop.
Perfect sentence.
Yesterday, I went to the beach with my friend.
Excellent. Verb number 2, come.
Come is the opposite of go.
Yes. Now, past tense of come.
Came.
Yes, C-A-M-E, came.
Yesterday, my friend came to my house.
Good. Go and come together. I went to the store, then I came home.
Went out, came back. Perfect pair.
Pair 2, take and put. Verb number 3, take.
Take like picking something up.
Yes. Past tense?
Took.
Good. T-O-O-K.
I took my umbrella because it was raining.
Very good. Verb number 4, put.
Putted?
No, the past tense is also put.
Wow, same word.
Yes, present and past are the same.
That is the easiest one.
Pair 3, make and get. Verb 5, make.
Make means create.
Past tense?
Made.
Yes, M-A-D.
I made breakfast.
Good. Verb 6, get.
Got.
Yes, G-O-T.
I got a message.
Good. Pair 4, eat and drink. Verb 7, eat.
Ate.
Yes, A-T-E.
I ate pizza yesterday.
Verb 8, drink.
Drank.
Yes, D-R-A-N-K.
I drank coffee yesterday.
Perfect. All 8 verbs complete. Let's say all 8 one more time. Everyone listening, repeat with us. Ready?
Ready.
Go, went.
Go, went.
Come, came.
Come, came.
Take, took.
Take, took.
Put, put.
Put, put.
Make, made.
Make, made.
Get, got.
Get, got.
Eat, ate.
Eat, ate.
Drink, drink.
Drink, drank.
8 verbs, 8 past tense forms, 7 irregular changes, and 1 that stays the same.
Put is my favorite. Always the same.
Good. Now a quick quiz. I will say the present tense, you say the past tense. Fast. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Go,
Went.
eat,
Ate.
take,
Took.
come,
Came.
drink,
Drank.
make,
Made.
put,
Put.
and get.
Got.
8 out of 8. Perfect, Ryan.
I can't believe it. 0 mistakes.
You should be proud. Now tell me about yesterday. Use all 8 verbs in a story.
Okay, I will try.
Yesterday was a busy day. I got up early, I went to the kitchen, I made eggs and toast for breakfast. I ate everything, I drank a big cup of coffee. Then I took my bag and went to work. After work, I came home at 6:30. I made pasta for dinner. I put a lot of cheese on top. I ate the whole plate. Then I drank a big glass of water. I put my dishes in the sink and went to the sofa.
That was amazing, Ryan. You used all 8 verbs correctly.
I surprised myself.
And everyone listening, you can do this too. Describe your day using these verbs.
It's free practice, just your brain and your story.
Your daily life is your English classroom.
And if you make mistakes, it's okay. Just keep going.
Every mistake helps you learn.
No one will laugh at you. They will understand you.
Let's review quickly.
Yes, let's review.
Go, went.
Come, came.
Take, took.
Put, put.
Make, made.
Get, got.
Eat, ate.
Drink, drank.
Perfect.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. That's all for today.
Thank you for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us, what did you eat or drink yesterday? We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.